Mityeng tabiriba pumnamakpu khurumjari namrata gurumayumna taram nokchari sandokchariba thoram asi Impact TV gi entertainment news kayagi paudam puzarakliba Mami Mapao gi thoramni ngasi Mami Mapao gi chama humfutara mari raksuba episode asida kari karamba mapao sing puzarakliba gi haibadu miyamda thamjage Film actress Somala Shramda People's Choice Award khutsin naduna pukning thaugalakibagi mapao Haubam Paban Kumargi Manipuri feature film Joseph's Son Cannes 2026 ki manung channa Palace Jida utkibagi pao Sumang kumhay integrating indigenous theatre as a pedagogical tool haiba sensitization workshop pangthokibagi mapao Aroibada Ahanba Interstate Level Drama Festival 2026 ta makok mathang taraba singda manalan thokibagi mapao So guys, ngasigi ahanba mapao da puzarakliba asi Kolkata gi Taj Tal Kutirda pangthokiba Who's That 360 na sinba Oriflame Indiana present tauba Who's Next 2026 Influencer Awards East and Northeast India da Manipur gi saknai rabi film actress Somala Shramda People's Choice Award khutsin narakre Award asi khutsin narakhibaga loinana Somana Imphal da thungbaga RPI Athwale gi National Secretary Maheswar Thongnauzabna taramna oktuna pukning thogat khibagi mapao asi miyam punna mityeng taminasi
Who's Next 2026 Influencer Awards East and Northeast Edition the People's Choice Award Panglaklabi Manipuri film ki saknai rabi actress Somala Shram taramna okre saknai rabi actress Somala Shram RPI Artawale gi National Secretary Maheswar Thongnaujamna taramna oktuna pukning thogatribani Manipur ki artist sing asi talent yamna leirabasu industry pikpana maram oiraga mitop singna namthabadawna leiriba asi thengnaduna Malem ki thakta pukhatpagi matam oire haina Maheswarna fongdorakli social media influencers singna follower yamna ba haiduna ngaihaki oiba aranba pau sandokpa asi tauroidabani culture gi lambu oirabasu health ki matangda oirabasu sem gadawriba content adugi matangda kupna thizinduna miyamda asengba paudam pinaba hotnaminasi haina Somala Shramna thamlakli Panbayapadi Kolkata gi Taj Kuti da pangthokiba Who's That 360 na sinba Oriflame Indiana present over Who's Next 2026 Influencer Awards East and Northeast Edition da Manipur gi saknai rabi film actress Somala Shramda People's Choice Award khutsin naduna pukning thogalakibani
Influencer ama phajana ma consistency oina tawiko haibadi pe award ama phangba kai se hekta icham chamna tangi taw haiba maga thabak se consistency oina tawba maga ta sengna tawrage na tawba maga khena balai ta sengna Somala Shramgi oina de koni uzaba matamda yamna consistency oina ta sengna tawrage na tawba ta sengna koi influencer ibaki oiba phaba sing koi phajaba sing se koi mayamda takhoke haran balambi da natabida koi Somadawna achumba Manipur gi oiba phajaba tradition myam se uthokpada Somana loriba thodang sumaina atopa influencer sing su makoi su lawba mayam yauri makoi su punjanaraga akoi Manipur gi oiba rich heritage cultural se sima panda uthokpada achoba thodang lawina si
influencer ama oiba haibse follower khaki natraga fame khaki tanaba adu khatangi oheningde hujikti YouTube da oiro adigi social media da oiro na hawer influencer mayam ama thogai ko sidaina haizaning badi haki khoi phau bagi adigi wrong information mayam sadu oga phauge hana khanba nataba yamna genuine oina adigi isagi culture adai isagi root masa khangna promotion
Somala Shrambu Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi congratulations haizabaga loinana tungdasu haurakliba naha kayabu influence tawduna development kaya purakpada achauba thodang lawbi kho haiba wafam thamjari France ta hujik chathariba humfutara mapan suba Cannes Film Festival gi manung channa March Due Film 2026 ta Indian Regional Cinema utnabagi damak National Film Development Corporation na Haubam Paban Kumar gi Manipuri feature film Joseph's Son asi khalakhibaga loinana Cannes 2026 ki March Due Film 2026 ki manung channa Palace Jida film asi utkibagi mapao asi amok miyam punna mityeng taminasi
Haubam Pawan Kumar ki Manipuri feature film Joseph's Son Cannes 2026 ki March Due Film 2026 ki manung channa Pale Jida utkre France ta hujik chathariba 79 Cannes Film Festival ki manung channa March Due Film 2026 ta Indian Regional Cinema utnabagi damak National Film Development Corporation na Premier Selection tawbada Haubam Pawan Kumar ki Manipuri feature film Joseph's Son asi khalakibani haukiba me taraga nithoi dagi chatharakliba 79 Cannes Film Festival asi May 23rd fawwa chathagadabani panbayaba amana Hawam Pawan Kumar gi Manipuri featured film Joseph's Son asi maming leiraba International Film Festival sing ming oina pallabada 25th Shanghai International Film Festival 2023, 29 Kolkata International Film Festival 2023, 28 International Film Festival of Kerala 2023 na chingba kayada sarug yarubata natana award kaya laurakraba film ni.
Cannes 2026 की March due film 2026 दा Manipuri feature film Joseph's Son mai pangna utkibada Mami Mapao gi maikay dagi Hawbam Pawan Kumar bu thagat pa fongdok chabaga loinana makha tanasu tongan ba international gi thak fagbagi film festival kaya da saruk yaduna award kaya lawbirakho haiba wafam asi thamjari. Matang swaisida yamna tenba break amatang lawzage khonglayang na hanjarake Impact TV bu mityeng taduna leibiu.
Ay, mahapapi! Yeah, mi masak kangdam saradana. Noi ponmak ising manung sida pulap namjilura. Ha? Pulap namjiluro.
Ibungo yay manida sidia.
Mahabharat ki wari paringdagi miyamna audio cassette oina thoina hena tana khraba Impact Entertainment Channel na puduna lakchari.
Zagat asina kunti gi matik magun khang na naba thawoi na sinba oiba tai.
Are iba pot hapko aiba yumugi. Bai kadu tajarabani na imung duna leiramba pot chay makai loy na lobudi yarabani adumaku madusu nasana tawjaramde palibango.
Bhimna kanana sariba kunti na kanana sariba Arjun sariba sina kanaba oirigaba pumnamak mitmang da thamduna anoba mahawa makudol tamjagadabani.
Na paijarba jeng kuba mase prithi matai mai be magi thakta sai thok jage.
Yengo nangi namang da bagabana putigom pambi gi masakoy na leplare. Namit pangkog lo kunti yengo kunti
Soidana magmiyeng tabiu Impact Entertainment Channel da Mahabharat ki wari paring.
Welcome back adom na mityeng tabiriba asi Impact TV da sandok chariba Mami Mapao gi chamahung futara mari suba episode ni. Break ki matung da puzarak liba Mapao asina. Sumang kumhay integrating indigenous theater as a pedagogical tool haiba hiramda nong magi oiba Indian knowledge system gi matangda sensitization workshop ama Dana Manjuri College of Teacher Education Imphal gi annual community contact and service program 2025-2026 ki saruk ama oina pangthok ki bagi Mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi.
Sumang kumhay integrating indigenous theater as a pedagogical tool haiba hiramda nongmagi oiba Indian knowledge system gi matangda sensitization workshop pangthokre. Workshop adu Dhanamanjuri College of Teacher Education Imphal gi annual community contract and service program 2025-26 ki saruk ama oina pangthokibani. College asida pangthokiba thauram adugi technical session da Manipur University of Culture gi retired assistant professor Dr. Mangkhong Mani Mongshaba, playwright amasu oiriba TZ Higher Secondary School ki lecturer Okram Kunjo, actor W. Bizenta Kumar alias Ratan Mukhai amadi actor Sur Athokpam na resource person oina saruk yaki.
Sigama holistic education as a product ke hai bataragani. Teachers should be like performing artists. Oza sing se artist hui bataban. Oza sing se isai sakpa hi batabani. Drama tawpa hi batabani. Lai ekpa hi batabani. Teachers should be very good communicator. Teachers should have the skill, interpersonal skill and intrapersonal skill. Oza degi yana job expectation of a lady. Hujiki NAB 2020.
Aroy bada puzarak liba Mapao asina World Theatre Day ga mari leinana Diamond Radio Khongjom amadi Manipur Dramatic Union MDU High School na sinduna March 13 tagi April mari fauba chathakiba ahanba interstate level drama festival 2026 da makok mathang taraba singda mana lanthokibagi Mapao asi miyam punna mityeng taminasi.
Ahanba Interstate Level Drama Festival 2026 ta makok mathang tarba singda mana lanthokre. Drama Festival adu World Theatre Day ga mari leinana Diamond Radio Khongjom amadi Manipur Dramatic Union MDU Yai School na sinduna March 18 April mari fawba chathakivani. Apunba Theatre Group taraga taruk na saruk yaduna Changdam nakiva Drama Festival aduda Yumjau Lairembi Dramatic and Cultural Union Khagem Paligi Kaurgena Best Prediction ki mana lauki. Play asipu lamjing lamtakliba K Shyam Nandana Best Director ki mana funkivaga loinana play asigi Mani Yumnamna Best Script taki. MDU da pangthokiva thauram aduda Trade Commerce and Industry ki Director Hana Kamai, Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science ki Chairman plus PJM amadi Diamond Radio ki Chairman ki Thausu Puriba ex-minister Moirangthem Hemanta su saruk yaki.
Ahanba Interstate Level Drama Festival 2026 ki Best Production ki mana fanglaba Kaurage ki team Yumjau Lairembi Dramatic and Cultural Union Khagem Palibu Mami Mapao gi Maikai degi thagat pafungdokchari. And that's all we have in this episode. Mathangi episode ta anagba mapao kaya ga loinana amuk lakchage. Until then, keep watching Impact TV, and yes, never forget to subscribe our channel and to leave your suggestions and feedbacks in the comment box. Till then, bye-bye.